Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Expat Rebel Chris, vlogging about my Mexican beach home renovation. Now, yesterday was really a big, huge cleanup day. Besides our regular weekly maid showing up and our weekly caretaker, she does the inside, he does the outside. We also had tree trimmers come, and we paid them about $45 each tree. We just did four around the pool. So our pool island palm tree, they trimmed a lot of that. That one there, they also trimmed, and that one, and this one. So they trimmed it up. We didn't have them do this one. In fact, it's already dropped one coconut since they were here. So we're just making sure that there's no big coconuts that are going to fall into the pool. Also, there's bugs up there. We've heard even rats, and snakes. I don't think we've had any of that. When we first moved in, we did catch a couple of snakes. I never saw them, but our construction people did. And that's because, if you guys had been watching since the beginning, this just used to be all sand. This was all sand, coconuts, dead coconuts everywhere, branches, everything. We had to clean that up before we even decked the pool. Now, they did leave us some coconuts. We told them to leave us some. This is a little bit more than I thought. We just wanted to eat some. Of course, this is way too many. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. They took the rest of the coconuts, I believe. And then progress on the pool is, okay, so we're having the bug fumigator come today to do these trees, make sure there's no bugs in it and everything. But we haven't filled the pool yet because we're wanting this to dry out. Now, we're actually having a couple of fans. There's a couple of house fans we use in the summer to make sure you get some airflow. We do have air conditioning, but sometimes having these is really helpful. And we're not really using it now because the weather's cooled off. It's actually quite nice. But we've been trying to dry this so it matches the rest, because this is newer. If you've been watching the vlog, a coconut actually sprouted up around here out of the concrete, and so they had to redo it. So they did it as a square first, and which looked horrible. And so we did this little design so that if it doesn't quite blend into the old stuff, it'll still look okay. It'll blend into the design. So we're not sure exactly when we're going to fill the pool. Depends on how that goes. I know once we do fill the pool, this shikun finish is going to look different. It takes a while to dry. And as you can see over here on a wall that they did months ago at this point, one of the first things he did is how this looks different than over here. There's nothing on the other side of this wall, where here there's an actual building. So it's taking longer to dry. And we love the shikun finish, but you have to give it some time to dry. And then it's a nice finish that you don't have to mess with. In fact, you only have to really clean it once a year. And we know people that can do that. Finish, they stuck a finish on all of it, all the shikun surfaces. And so we're all good there. We're just going to wait for that section of the pool to dry before we fill it. We do have city water here. It's only $40 a year, unmetered on top of it. But we had the water pressure to fill this pool in a reasonable amount of time. So we're going to hire a water truck, probably 2 of them, fill this, to come and fill this when we're ready. I don't know exactly when it's going to be. Again, probably 1 or 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks before we're comfortable with that patch.
And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, Expat Rebel. Leave a comment if you got a question, or if you just want to say hi. Thank you. Click the that too. Lots of comments are always welcome. Make sure you hit that bell notification. You get notified when I come out with a new video. And join my newsletter, expatrebel.com/newsletter. Weekly newsletter that has expat news and everything that expat and wannabe expats need to know. So that's over at expatrebel.com/newsletter. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you later. Bye.